What is going on, guys? So a little background information about myself. From Melbourne, Australia. My girlfriend and I, for almost about 9 months, Jenny, thought we'd start a channel to highlight the things that mean the most to us and highlight the great memories we have with the people we love. So I decided to come all the way from Australia to America to pursue my dream of playing college basketball. This is where I'm at. I was finishing up my sophomore year here at Central Maine. I've recently signed to transfer to Beloit College in Wisconsin for my last 2 years. During my time here at Central Maine, I've developed a relationship with my teammates that will last a lifetime. Become pretty close with some of my teammates, Josh, Freddie, and Matt. Just a little bit of information about them. Matt's from Australia as well. Freddie's also from Australia, and Josh is from Weymouth, Mass, or Newark, New Jersey. We've become pretty close with each other. Over our 2 years here, we've made a whole bunch of memories, but unfortunately, you know, we never really thought to record it. So we're trying to make the most of what we have left with each other. Josh is signed to go to St. Francis up in Chicago, Illinois. Freddie's going back home to Darwin, taking a gap year and helping his family out with the zoo. Matt is coming back to Central Maine, where I hope he plays really well next year and gets a scholarship and goes on to bigger and better things. Gonna go our separate ways, and it sucks, but it's gonna be bittersweet. Yeah, so I started this channel mainly for me and my girlfriend. We hope to make some videos together, and I hope it encourages us to kind of go out and go on an adventure. For the rest of this video, Freddie just kind of takes me through a light workout on our off day. What we got?
Alright, so you got 1 push-up, 1 pull-up, 1 dip, 10 seconds rest. So you say 10 seconds, you go 2 push-ups, pull-ups, dips, 20 seconds rest, 3 push-up, pull-up, dip, 30 seconds. We work our way down, then we work our way back up.
Oh, it's cake.
Okay?
Yeah.
Well, what I did is... SPIDERWEBB, I'm...
Single? I mean, yeah.
That too. I'm in the PHF program, Physical Health and Fitness, aspiring Division I strength coach here at Central Maine. This is our facility. It's pretty nice, kept really well. We're living pretty good for Division II JUCO. So. Good fun. We love being in here. Alright, so how we're gonna do it is we're gonna set up not the highest box, the second highest box. Alright, then I'll go. So burpee, box jump, burpee, box jump, burpee, then you'll go. Same thing, as soon as you're done, I'll go again. We'll work up to 30, so it'd be 10 rounds altogether. So do